What's up, guys? We're back at it with another video. So this is gonna be a little bit different. We're gonna be working on one of our friends' cars, and this is a gem, dude. You don't see stuff like this all the time.
You have more wire for your fuel pump? That's too hot out here. We're gonna have to push the car in the garage. It's just too hot. It's hot in here, but the sun's not in here. It's cool right there.
That's right. Alright, Buito. What's done to the car, bro?
Shit, pretty much stock K. Couple of little bolt-ons on it, nothing crazy. Trying to figure out. Little street car.
Alright. It's just pretty fast, though.
Nah, slow.
Nah, it's just a fucking hoopty.
It's slow as hell.
So what are we doing today?
We're about to wire up all his major shit so he can have proper functioning electronics like his fuel pump, fan, all the all the switch panel shit. He just installed this new fuel cell, so you know, so it should help him with the fuel issues and all that. Cut the weight, everything. I mean, it's a necessity. A lot of people don't understand. It's not something that you don't need. We need.
So your boy got the terminals. Hey.
Ring terminals today.
So everything's gonna be done right.
As right as I'm gonna be able to get it.
Yeah. Alright, what have you done so far?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Not a goddamn thing.
Yo, I think I might end up doing this, guys. I might get a fuel cell, but for the black coupe.
Dies
You
out
get a
from this
receipt from a
box
couple
somewhere.
minutes. This is a lot cleaner.
Yeah, and they got the thing too, you know, because
Randy
if
took all
there's
the
a
wires.
wire sign touches or anything,
Wired
it
up where you
shuts
have to
right
wire.
off.
Yeah.
It shuts right off.
The breaker
Put in the
switch.
last
The breaker
wire,
switch.
last
That's what I
wire.
got. I got it connected
Hooking
on my
up the
music
switch panel.
system.
Then this should be working by a switch. What up, PP?
Papi, vamos a
The
correr.
back ones that I have, the bushings are fucking.
You got the EF over there.
The
That's coming out soon.
completely out of the arm.
Dale, abre. We gonna show y'all what the EF has.
I'm gonna give y'all a little tease. That's the baby. Fully
This shit
got
is
it.
nice, yo.
Fully got it, literally. Don't mind all the straps. I'm doing some shit inside.
Then you
But
try to
it's
paint
fully
it, dog?
got it. Yeah, that was first la primera mano. That was some ghetto shit.
You gotta hit it like 2 more times.
Yeah. And then, you know, we got some stickers going on all up in this bitch. Oh, fuck, did I just lock it? Yeah.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, man. Put it up.
B20 gang.
So yeah, I knew the fucking, the clips and shit are all broken and this shit. So I had it with straps, but when I floor it, they fucking
That's
pop
what I
right
did
up.
to my one.
Fucking got like fucking 4 bolts holding the headers. Got fucking stock tranny, cable tranny with fucking stock flywheel, stock clutch, stock GSR pressure plate. The old one from the GSR, stock, right in that bitch, stock. With fucking just a rebuild, stock V20 headers to fucking 4-inch exhaust, which is retarded as fuck. I hate that shit. Like, that shit mad fucking loud for no reason. But we got this shit. I
Listen, your boy's gonna be locking it up with him tonight. We gonna be locking it up. See what
Y'all
the
see
cars
the
do.
race?
Y'all
Broken
see
tranny. If anybody got a cable tranny, let me know. I
For
need
real, yo, your boy needs one bad. Yo.
bad. I got
Like,
second, third, and fifth fucked up in this bitch.
Alright guys, so finished up the fuel system. Everything's wired up nice. All the wires are nice and tucked. Everything's not, you know, it's got a little slack here, a little slack there. Everything's nice and neat put away. Made a bracket to hold the ECU up, so that's nice and firm. And then the car hooked up the switch panel, so that's ignition, fuel pump, car runs. And this is for the nitrous. So that's it. We did the fuel lines, got them all nice and tucked up. everything should work the way that it should. So tonight, ready to make it happen. I think it's gonna be ready to go. I think I did everything that needs to be done to it. Only thing you gotta do is if you wanna do the on the button, if it doesn't work, just grab you a push button before AutoZone closes, start button, just like the one that's on there, because it's good for the voltage, and we'll rock with that. This thing is a beast. I love this car. Just because you told me that you would never get an old Honda, never. It was the oldest car he said he would ever buy was an EG. No DAs, no EFs, none of that. And look what he got. This thing's ready. It's bone stock. I mean, you just got the little touches on it. You didn't do nothing, no cams or nothing like that. I mean, he's got more shit. We won't disclose, disclose that. And he's got shit in the cut. You feel me? Like big boy shit. But this will work for now. I think this is one of the cleanest. You get it buffed? I'm just saying, if you get it buffed up, yeah, this is nice. All the AM lines are all dope now. They're all in there. A little, gotta tape up a few things, but that's it. Alright, we're gonna take the good old K-Swap DA Casper for a ride. It's gonna be a rough one because it's twin disc on the bottom. So we're gonna get a little bit of heat up in it, and we're gonna take it for a hit. See what it does for the first time on the bottle, right? This will be like the first real hit. Let's see.
Should feel crazy without a gas tank.
The ass end is,
right?
Yeah. You got me in the car, so that should help a little bit.
Try it.
Yeah. Don't let off the button until you're done, until you're ready to stop the run, the pull. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Don't run all motor with the switch on.
Okay.
Okay? So
It'll break up.
It's gonna break up, yeah.
Right.
Here, give it a hit.
Figure it out.
Hit it. Hit it. See? All moving.
Felt good.
Yeah, it did. Kyl's gonna have to fucking
Doing it?
yeah. There's too much nitrous. Hey, give him the sauce. Give his ass the sauce. Hit it. Hit the button. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it.
It feels good, but it breaks up when it
Yeah, up top. You need that. It's gotta get tuned in. Absolutely not. Bone dry. Bruh. If you could see that. Bone dry. That's why it was breaking up. Alright guys, from this hot ass garage to you. Peace.